Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to hide notes on Messenger. So first of all, just open up the Messenger app, and if you have more than one people who posted a note onto your chat or onto your Messenger and you want to hide them, what you're gonna do first, you're gonna just hold on the contact that you want to hide, right? And basically you're gonna see multiple options like a pop-up window, view profile, share contact, hide contact, and report note. And basically you're gonna just click hide contact and confirm that you want to hide that contact and won't be listed in your suggested contacts and notes, and their notes will be hidden. All right, and if you want to unhide that person, what you're gonna do, click the three bars at the top left, go ahead and click on the settings gear, and what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to the privacy and safety, and basically you're gonna see the hidden contacts, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna see next to their name unhide button, just click on it and confirm that you want them back. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.